Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for landing here and watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to get more updates and notifications. In today's session, I'm going to show you how to launch Tableau application, adding a data source, and creating a bar chart, and how to save a bar chart in Tableau Desktop. I'm sure you already know adding a data source because in my previous video I've shown you how to add a data source in Tableau Public. So this is the same here in Tableau Desktop as well. So yeah, let's get started. I'll show you practically how to do all those things. So let me show you. I've already downloaded I've already launched the application and added the data source as well. If you don't remember, let me remind you again how to add a data source. So please click on the data pane. There is an option called new data source. You can click on that. As soon as you click on it, there will be one option called Microsoft Excel, so you can choose that, or no, depends on the data source you want to select. Till now I just shown you how to add Excel data source, so I'm just clicking on the Microsoft Excel. So if you're going to add a spreadsheet, you can click on that. If not, a text file or anything else, you can click whatever is required for you. So here I just used spreadsheet. So I have a samples superstore data with me. I just selected that and opened it. Now it's already done. Now I've added that in here. So let's create a bar chart now. No, actually let me give you a brief introduction of bar, why we use it and where we use it. Now bar charts are used to compare things between different groups or to track changes over time. However, when you are trying to measure changes over time, bar graphs are the best when the changes are larger. For example, let me take a category from dimensions and place it in rows, and sales measure, place it in columns. So this creates a bar chart automatically. So this is called a horizontal bar chart. And I'm going to create, let me explain more about it, because I'm creating another sheet and dragging category here. We have only 3 categories, and when I place categories in row shelf, you can see every category in each and every row. So the same is the case happened here with the bar chart as well. So we have 3 categories available. As soon as I place category in row shelf, you can see we have 3 categories in 3 different bars. And when we place sum of sales in column shelf, so whatever the number is available, it will split into an axis and make it a uniform axis with a defined interval, with the proper intervals in between. So there is a difference of 50k between each and every interval, 0k to 50k, 50k to 100k, 100k to 150. Likewise it goes on and on till 850k. So you can see like we have 3 categories available, and you can sort it from here. So technology is on top. So when you are comparing different categories together, you can prefer bar chart, and you can find or read the values easily from the bar chart, and you can understand the business which is doing well, which is on top, using bar chart. So let's go ahead and create a vertical chart as well. Now I'm going to drag category in columns and sum of sales in rows. So in our previous sheet, we've created the same example using same dimension and measure in the sheet. we created horizontal bar, now we created vertical bar chart. So this is again, we can easily create or we can easily sort everything using these two options, either from descending to even in descending order or in ascending order. I prefer descending order. So we can see each and every category in different bars. Now we have 3 categories available and we have 3 bars available for each category. So sum of sales, it's in the x-axis now, sorry, y-axis now, because we placed it in rows. So again, we can compare 3 categories together and understand the business clearly and easily. So let us create another sheet for periodic distribution. I'm taking a date field, so we have order date here. I'm dragging it to columns. So we have 4 years of data in sample superstore data. Now I'm taking profit measure and placing it in rows. So by default we got the line chart. We can change it to bar in marks card. So we have 4 bars available. For each and every bar there is a value, because we placed a sum of profit here, and 2017 is the leading year which has the profit on its top. So now we can even further drill down it to month or quarter. So now if I add month, it will be a little confusing, so I will limit it to quarter alone. So now this is a huge period, right? So from 2014 to 2017 we have 4 quarters in each of them, and we are comparing 4 years of data at once, and we can easily compare it and we can even find the insights in a single sheet. We have in 2014 Q4 is doing well, in 2015 Q4 is doing well, in 2016 Q4 is doing well, only in 2017 Q4 is like same as Q3, or like it's slightly doing well than Q3, or from all other quadrants, sorry, all other quarters. So this is it. You can easily compare periodical data with a bar chart, and you can easily find the insights from it. So let me show you. So I can explain other scenarios in my upcoming videos. For now I want to show you how to save this sheet offline. Not this sheet alone, we can save the whole workbook offline. So in Tableau Public we were not able to save it offline, so that's why I wanted to show you how we can save it offline today. We have 2 extensions available. One is TWB and the other one is TWBX. What will happen with TWB and TWBX, I'm going to show you in my next video. I can explain clearly with all the extensions available. For now I'm going to save it in Tableau packaged workbook, because it won't ask you to like provide the data source again when you are opening again or share it with anyone. I'm going to save it as bar chart and save. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.